Hi, here's the details instruction and how the system will work. So first, your requirement was reduce the steps to make it easy to input the inventory items. So for time being, I'm most of the field just make optional, so you can keep the blank all the fields except the mandatory. So at that moment, the mandatory fields are status, item number, quantity, and location, and all are optional, so you can put the information for these fields or you can also keep it blank. So at the moment you just need to put location, quantity, item number, and status. Four fields is mandatory at the moment, so you can use these four fields and keep all other fields blank for time being. Okay, go to the sheets. The first one is inventory summary. You need to put all your inventory item here. So this is a summary and details. So every row is containing a unique product, item number. You already know about all of these things, and available, reserve, ship quantity, and quantity on hand and quantity on order. All this field will be automatic. Two are blank. These two related with the invoicing part, but three are set uh, and we're ready to calculate. The next thing is uh, detail inventory. Here you can see all these fields will generate automatically, and this for is formula based. So here is you don't need to do anything. You just need from this table you just need to select the product number, what item you are looking for, and based on the selection all the input you made for this product will generate here all the automatically, and those input how many quantity you on hand will show here, and here is will show the total quantity for a product. And in this table you can show every order or every inventory when they entered. Like if you purchase an item for 3 times, then here you'll see the 3 times, and you can see for each times how many quantity you hand, how many shipped. So but you can maintain the FIFO from here, but in the summary it will show the total quantity for a product. And inventory by category, so here you can select the category. This one is based on the product number, and this one for category. So if you select the category, this table will generate automatically. So each category, how many product you will hand, and quantity, or all these things will populate automatically. So now how we maintain the system. So I can see you put in your hand item here in a column, but this is not the right way. We should enter the quantity through form. Okay, let's start. Here's the here's the starting point of our form. So first please select the form below. So what you are want to do. So is it inventory input or sales? Sales is not built yet in the next step of the project, but inventory. So we are going to input the inventory. For time being, I'm just showing you this one. This one you have in the table location 6 unit, this item. Okay. So I'm going to inventory and select the next. Okay, the first mandatory question, is it in your warehouse or in your order? So you have in your hand is 6 unit, so I know in your warehouse, so I'm selecting in warehouse, and order date is not a mandatory at the moment. So if you put the order date, then the system will keep the information your order date. So if you don't want to put here, want to keep it blank, so keep it blank. In warehouse date, there is a order date, and in when the goods arrive in your warehouse, so you can keep this information. But if you don't need, just keep it blank. And you need, the most important things is item number. You told me that you need a drop down, so I will add in the later the drop down, but at the moment it's not a drop down. I'm just showing you how you can input the uh, an inventory item. So, or here's the item number. I'm just copying it, and here's the paste, and the batch number. You don't need, you don't want to, I know you don't want to maintain the batch number, so keep it blank. The vendor is not a mandatory field. If you want to put, you can put. If you not want to put, then keep it blank. The quantity, you mentioned that you have the 6 quantity, so I'm just putting here 6. The location important, so mandatory is that there is the location. Cost price is not a mandatory, so if you want you can put or not. These both are same. So cost price, sell price, you don't, yeah, is up to you. So here's the submit button, so I'm the submitting here. Okay, already we submitted. Okay, let's see how the system will work. So these data we input 6 unit in your warehouse in default location. So go to the item number. Okay, you can see the available quantity is 6. Here you can see 6. We put the input the 6, and on hand quantity, yes, 6, because we have in our we have 6 in our warehouse, so it's 6. And available, we don't allocate this item for any customer, so it's available. It's a total quantity. Okay, let's go to the next. So if you want to select want to see this items only history, go to the details inventory, and you can select from the drop down, or you can directly paste here the item number. Okay, so you can see we just input one time. In the status is in warehouse, is the order date, we keep it blank, we keep the blank, so here it's also showing the blank. In warehouse date, we also keep the blank, we don't put this information, that's why it's showing is blank. The product category is showing automatically. Description also pulling data automatically. Vendor, you can remember we keep it blank, so it shows the blank. Okay, the size automatically generate. Color also automatically generated. Weight, you don't put the weight here, you keep it blank, the weight, that's why it's showing here is also showing the weight is blank. And the polish, you can put the data. And the location, we put the location in the form, you can see the location. Cost price, sell price, we keep blank, that's why here is the it's showing the blank, and that's why the margin cannot calculate, it's automatic. So if you put the cost and sell price, then the margin will generate automatically. And here you can see 6 quantities available, and on hand also 6. So if you want to edit this information, if you need to edit something, you can see the edit link generated here. So click here and click the link, then you can edit the same things. So go to the next, you can see what we put, all are here. So if you think this quantity is not 6, it's 8 or 4, you can change the quantity or anything you can change here. And if you click the submit, then this information will update. Okay, next go to the category wise, we can search. So here's a base category, so I'm here selecting the base, and you can see all this information generate here, and also you can see the quantity. So all base, if you add more base item, then all will generate here automatically, and showing the uh, total quantity. Here also they have the edit link. I think you can understand the process we need to maintain. So if we want to add another one, so I'm showing you for here. I just added this one, so I mark it yellow. We already added. Okay, so all this quantity you need to input like this way with the form. So I'm going to the next one. This one unit you have in Linden location. I'm copy the invent item number. So I'm going to, okay, let's see if it's not in warehouse. So go to the select the next, and in order, and you can select the order that, and everything is the same. Everything is the same thing. You just submit. Then if you think this one we order two item in the Linden location, then here you the quantity on hand will generate here, the or on order. So here also on order quantity will generate here in this field. So once the order quantity arrive in your store, you just need to go to the link and just go to the next. And once you receive in your warehouse, I think assume it's in on order. One you record the data as on order. So you order not arrive in your hand, so it will show quantity on order not available. So but once the goods arrive in your store, go to the edit link and just need to change the in warehouse and keep all the information as same and submit. Then what will happen, the status will change. So in or quantity on order will become 0, and that quantity will add in the available quantity. I think you can understand. So what I was trying to show you, the next one, to input the next item. The yellow already I inputted. I'm going to add this one quantity 1. So it's inventory, sorry, go to the back, sorry. Okay, there's an inventory input. Go to the next, is in your hand. I don't have this information. I have item number. I don't have anything. And the quantity, you have one quantity. And location, I know the location. I know the locations, and put the location. Cost price, sell price, I don't know. And submit. And what will happen? Go to the right. You can see what happened. Oh, sorry, I missed something. I put the on hand quantity, sorry, quantity on order. So I need to change this one. So it's a great example. I missed it. I not don't select the uh, in warehouse. I select the on order. So like for assume that it's on order. So I need to change the status in my hand. The goods already in my hand. So just go to the this tab and select the order number, uh, item number, sorry. Then you can see the details on order status. Go to the right, it's on order quantity, it's not available. So just go to the link, edit link. Here you can see next. Just what we need to do, just change the status on order. I'm going to in warehouse and submit. Once you submit, it's already updated. See, it's changed to honor is 0 and available and on hand has become 1. So here also it will change. Here also you can see it's changed. So I already input this one. I marked it yellow. So this way you just need to input all this data. And if you think it's time consuming to find the edit link by this way, don't need to worry. Go to the form response. You can see all the latest information here, and you can find the link, edit link. Here's the edit link. Okay, I think you can understand the full process. You don't need to maintain these two columns. Just input these data, what I am showing you how to do it, and rest of things will do automatically. Okay, try it, test it, and let me know if you have any question or observation, or if you need any changes. I'll make directly. Thank you very much for watching.